Good morning, students. This is class 4th moral, and today I will explain you chapter number 1. This chapter is Pippi and the roller coaster. Let's start reading first paragraph. Self-confidence is being able to do things with a feeling that we have the ability to do them well. It is essential for accomplishing great things in life. Only if we have confidence in ourselves, others can have faith in us. So in this paragraph, what they are explaining us that self-confidence is the most important thing a person could have. If you are self-confident, then you can do whatever you want to do. You can achieve success. And it is important for us to accomplish our dreams. What we think, we should get it. And because of our self-confidence, others can also have faith in us. If we are not self-confident, we are not sure that we can do some things, then how will other person believe us, have trust in us? So I will explain you this chapter. You have to read it by yourself. In this chapter, what happens, that there is a girl 12 years old and her name is Pippi, who really likes amusement parks. Even though she had never been one, she never went to any amusement park, but then also she loves to go to a amusement park. Okay, there are many things that we love but we had never done. Okay, so her parents never let her go to any amusement parks. Why? Because there are so many big rides, okay, which are very difficult and very dangerous. When you will sit on that, it is very dangerous, that it is going upside down also. So they think, her parents thought that it is very dangerous, so they never let her go. But this time on her birthday, they thought that let's take her to the amusement park because it's her birthday and we should do something special. So they took her to an amusement park which was very big, the biggest of all. So Pippi's birthday, they went there to celebrate it. They stayed there for whole day. Okay, Pippi was very happy about it, that she could go to an amusement park and she loves the park. So as you can imagine how fun they would have there. So Pippi's jaw dropped in amazement at the amount of rides and just how big the park was actually. So Pippi and her sister ran to a new ride that had just opened. There was a new ride which was just open. That was the first day for it to be started. So they went to that ride, and that was the biggest roller coaster in the world, not only in their city but in the world. Just as they were about to get on, Pippi felt a fluttering in her tummy that made her stop in her tracks. Actually, what happened, when she was going to sit in this roller coaster, suddenly she felt something fluttering in her tummy. Fluttering means here something happens, you know, sometimes you feel butterfly like, and you feel there is something in stomach going on, moving here and there, that type of feeling. So at that time only her sister said, "Come on Pippi, get on, it's about to go." So she said that, come on Pippi, we will sit on this." She was excited, so she called her that, "Come in, it is going to start, when will you come?" So Pippi said that, "I am scared of roller coaster because it is so big and it is sure that it will go fast and fast." it will go very fast, and I am really scared about this big roller coaster because it is too big for me. So she said it, but she remembered what her grandmother said. So long ago, before, when she was small, she used to be with her grandmother, and her grandmother told her something when she was small. Her grandmother told that, remember Pippi, being afraid is the worst thing that can happen to you. Overcome it and bring out courage you have inside. So Pippi get to remember what her grandmother said. Her grandmother told her that you should always be confident, because being scared is very bad. Being afraid, being scared of anything is the worst condition. That is the very bad thing that could happen to you. And we have to overcome it. You forget about the fright that you are frightened, and you should be confident and go and be brave. Do whatever you want to do. After thinking these words, Pippi stepped forward and got to the roller coaster. After remembering these words, she go inside this roller coaster and sat near to her sister. And she was now confident that she can go on this ride. After that, she never forget these words of her grandmother, and she was very confident that next on in her life she was never afraid of anything. So the moral of the story is believe in yourself leads to self-confidence. If you will trust yourself, you will be self-confident.
Let's start our exercise. Chapter number 1, exercise. A. Take the correct options. First, Pippi was a -year-old girl. Answer is 12. Pippi liked dash park. Answer is amusement park. 3. Pippi stepped forward and got on the dash roller coaster. B. Fill in the blanks. Pippi's parents bought her an all-day dash for the park. So here comes ticket. 2. Pippi had never been to amusement park. Answer is amusement park. Number 3. Pippi dash all the rides. Enjoyed all the rides. 4. Pippi stepped dash and got on the roller coaster. Answer is forward. 5th. Believing in yourself leads to dash self-confidence is the answer. Now question number 6. C. Given below are some phrases we generally speak. Check your confidence level by ticking those you think boost your confidence and crossing those which bring you confidence down. So in this question we have to put here right or wrong. मीन्स अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंस किन बातों से आपको कॉन्फिडेंस है, आपको आता है, उसमें आपको टिक लगाना है और जिस सेंटेंस से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कम होता है उस पर आपको रॉन्ग लगाना है. सो लेट्स रीड. फर्स्ट नंबर, आई एम वेरी इम्पेशेंट. सो यू हैव टू पुट हियर रॉन्ग. Number 2, if I work hard, I can do it. This is correct. Oh, it is too tough. Yeah, here put wrong. It is my left hand's play. So, right. There is no hope. Wrong. Who cares about these silly mistakes? Right. It feels bad to hear my mistakes. Wrong. I am afraid of my friends teasing. Wrong. Yes, I can do it. Right. It will be fun to do this. Right. So, you will write this correct answers. Now question number D. Answer the following questions. So, first question is, what was the name of the girl? I think you know this answer, but still I will give you the answers. So first answer is The name of the girl is Pippi. Question number 2. Where did her parents take her on her birthday? Answer is her parents took her on her birthday the amusement park. Now, third question is, why did Pippi's jaw drop? So answer is Pippi's jaw dropped because she was in amazement at the amount of rides and how big was the park. Question number 4. On which ride did Pippi and her sister take a ride and have fun? Answer is on roller coaster Pippi and her sister take a ride and have fun. Question number 5. Did Pippi really enjoy all that? Answer is yes, Pippi really enjoyed all that. So this question answers are finished. Now this you can read once or twice so you can understand this thing. And here, how the self-confidence help you when you face any problem? Write in your own words. So here you have to write few sentences about this topic. How the self-confidence help you when you face any problem? जब आप कोई समस्याओं को फेस करते हैं तब आपका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आपको कैसे हेल्प करता है. सो इन दिस टॉपिक यू हैव टू राइट हियर फ्यू sentences. Okay, now thank you.